Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add use phone ringtone to calls on on your emo. We will go to figure out the selection or know how we can do that on your emo. We will go up here on this is picture. We will click and we come here to this is window like you say. Then we click here on settings and we come here to settings window like you say. Then we click here on notifications. Then we come here to notifications window like you say, and we come here on calls. Then we come here to calls window like you say. We click here on ringtone. Then we come here to ringtone window like you say, and you click here on use phone ringtone, and you go to choose your phone ringtone to calls on your email. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you next video.